Hey, what's going on? What's up? What's up, bro?
Is that how you greet your uncle?
Well, this is my girlfriend, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Girl I'm talking to.
Your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Hello.
God.
You know how to Igbo? Look, let me tell you. Let me tell you. When you hear this boy, this boy is nothing but a Kwampoto. The Igbo, by the way. No, Kwampoto is food.
Oh yeah, you know, like food.
Yeah, I know that. Since you are, yes, if your time on you, because the boy will choke on, baby.
Are you struggling with Igbo language? Do you find yourself nodding and laughing, not knowing what's being said? Is your uncle trying to steal your girlfriend in front of your eyes? Yes, sign up for Express Igbo today. I beg you, make your uncle not steal your girlfriend. Go and sign up today.
Yes. You can let your uncle. We have to see your wife.
I know.
Yes, I like your wife. I like this one.
Swish on the beat.